Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. You know, the other day I posted a video about fried egg sandwiches, and I was like, I need some more ideas, guys. I'm running out of ideas for fried egg sandwiches, and I have to say, you guys came through with flying colors. I got so many different suggestions on fried egg sandwiches. I'm going to bring them up right now that I had to do a video. First of all, to thank you all. That it's exciting that so many people are still digging Live Life 365. But also, I wanted to share with everybody some of these great ideas. So, Jordan, one of my fans, said fried egg with fried chicken. And I've done a fried egg chicken sandwich, but not with fried chicken. Korean fried egg. I'd have to figure out that one. Fried egg with a Philly cheesesteak. I've always wanted to make a Philly cheesesteak for one of my killer sandwiches, so throw a fried egg on that. I like this one. Fried egg pizza sandwich with tomato and mozzarella. I have a fried egg Italian sandwich. But that's one. That's a good one. That's one guy who's doing pretty good. Here's another one from Francie. Fried egg with southern sauteed greens. Now, when I made my collard green recipe, I wanted to put a fried egg on top of that, but I think I waited too late. Let me see. Fried egg, asparagus, and parm. That sounds pretty good. Fried egg with scallions and hot sauce. Now that one might be tough to get through. That one came from Daniel Boa. Thank you, Dan. Who else? Fried egg with a fried banana. That was from Poison Kiss. Fried egg with fried banana. I don't know if I can make that. I try. And then RWS, one of my loyal subscribers, wants me to eat a ballot. I think that a ballot looked very disgusting. I'm not sure if I'll ever be able to eat one. Brandon says a low fried egg wrap, low carb. This one from Andre would be deviled egg fried egg sandwich. Deviled egg fried sandwich. That one might be pretty good. I'll try that. Let me see what else we have. Alex says fried egg with some jalapenos or any other spicy, tangy stuff with meat. You know, that one might not be that bad. It might burn my mouth, but let me see. We had a whole bunch of ones on here. Now Mike French, who's been around a long time watching my videos, said fried egg sandwich with chocolate chip cookies instead of bread. I mean, I could try to make it, but man, I don't know how that would taste. Nahum said a boiled egg sandwich with lamb chops. Ooh, that might be pretty good. Another one, fried egg with either salmon, lobster. This is from Andre. Salmon, lobster, crab, sardines, buffalo, shrimp, cream cheese, sour cream, sriracha, pickle, cucumber, steak. I did that one. Fried egg burger, I've done that one. Toast. Ice cream cake. Man, he went crazy. What else? Now, Earl said corned beef hash and fried egg. I had one, but then he said jalapeno cheese and grits. That might be a crazy one. But I like the Cabo Wabo on the side. Emmanuel says do one with pastrami. I think I'm going to do one like that. I have one coming out with salami. Fried egg with chorizo. That's one sounds pretty good. One thing is, McDave says I've never dabbled in gravy, which is true. So fried egg biscuits and gravy, that might be pretty darn good. Fried egg gyro, that was from Gerald Davis. That would be good. Now this one seems pretty simple, but I think that one would taste really good. This is from Michael Puma. Fried egg, cream cheese, and bacon. Mike, I'm going to put that one on my list. That one sounds pretty good. So it goes on, and it's really, really fantastic that you guys contributed like this. There's so many on here. And a lot of you said, hey, you don't have to always make fried egg. Try different things. Well, I've got hundreds and hundreds of other videos about everything besides fried eggs. I get over 1,000 videos on YouTube, so I only have like 50 fried egg sandwich videos. So check out all my other videos. Like I said, I've got hundreds of them that have nothing to do with fried eggs. I got vegan recipes, I got vegetarian recipes, I got low carb recipes, I've got protein bomb recipes. I've got so many kinds on there. I've got Italian food, I've got Mexican food, I've got chicken and turkey recipes, I've got fish recipes. So it's not just fried eggs, but this video is about the fried egg sandwich, and I want to thank everybody for contributing and giving me these ideas. And believe it, I'm going to work as hard as I can to make as many as possible, but make as many different non-fried egg sandwich videos too. So again, thanks for watching. Check out Live Life 365. Spread the word for this channel. I'm going to keep doing this as long as I'm enjoying it and having great engagement with my subscribers like I'm having right now. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Let me see, pulled pork, apples, salmon, let me see, sausage, fried egg bacon with jelly inside a pancake. I don't know. White bread, 2 eggs, 2 cheese, parma, ham, sausage, mayo, ice cream sandwich, it never ends, garbage plate, crab meat, cheese, oh my gosh, sweet baboo, fried eggs, pizza sliders, fish and eggs. Hey, Foster here, but where's my head? Hey, Mike Foster here. I don't have a head. I gotta fix, he needs to fix his head. Yeah.